Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how the VIN match tool works. If you're using a barcode scanner, make sure your cursor is placed inside the VIN box before scanning. Then choose Tint or PPF and it will automatically pull up the available templates for the vehicle. Note that the green light next to the VIN, this means that the VIN search is valid and in the system. The process is the same for PPF, just scan and choose PPF to quickly pull up the templates. If you don't have a barcode scanner, you can also manually type the VIN. There are many cases where a VIN will be multi-matched to vehicles. For example, this Silverado could be a crew cab or an extended cab. Just choose which one you have in your bay before cutting. Some manufacturers assign different trim packages to the same VIN pattern. Scanning this Tacoma could be any of the listed trims, all of which affect the patterns in one way or the other. Just make sure that you know which version you have before cutting the vehicle. Lastly, there could be a case where there are no matches. This could be because the VIN hasn't been provided from the manufacturer yet, or we have not confirmed the year range of the vehicle, or the vehicle is still in the design process. I've included the link to the barcode scanner in the description below. That's all for now. We'll see you next time.